guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Electric Explorer. Today I have the Chronology Grace Transit again from Flipkart. The second one, the first one that I unboxed was from Amazon. This is from Flipkart. So like I ordered this for the kitchen purpose that I have installed in the bathroom. So like I will show you someday. So today I'm gonna unbox this. So this is the box given by Flipkart. All details are there. I won't show these details. First, let me open it completely. I will open this box, keep this aside, and I'll show you the other. So now I've removed that box without wasting much time. Let me come on to specifications of the fan directly. Like as you can see, the features are double ball bearing fan. It is hub based design, high performance epoxy powder coated finish. Finishing is really awesome. Powder coating epoxy that gives very shiny and long lasting color. Bird screen for protection that is given for like the birds don't enter or insects don't enter while the fan is running in your kitchen, workshop, anywhere. This is available in 3 sizes: 150mm, 300mm and 225. This is 225 9 inches. I have one more 225mm unboxed like last week itself, and I have one more 225mm that is the G logo one, like that was like old 2016s, and then I have 300mm that is Solan one, and I have one more 300mm that is a 1997's hand logo one. Like this is the fan. You can see this pic is of the Transit 12 inches. Box condition is awesome. That last time which I got from Amazon had really worst box. The seller did not pack it properly. All box was torn and another sellotapes were put by the seller. That was really annoying. But Flipkart is really good. I was knowing it. Transit 12 inches was also ordered from Flipkart. If you don't remember, you can see details here. You can take a screenshot. Solan district T9AG. Price is 2350, 225. It is manufactured in like March 2021. That was manufactured in November 2020. So like you can see, now I've showed you the specifications. Let me open the box quickly. So as you can see, this is the box, looking quite good. Here is the fan. So this is the fan packed properly. That seller was not good because in that box one side was missing and the warranty card was outside the fan unit and the fan unit was bent. So that seller is worst. That is Guruji Electric Works. Please don't buy from there. Please check it and don't buy from Amazon. It's not at all good. So like I'm facing the problem. The paint is really very delicate in that one. So now this is really good. Let me flip it up. It's out of the box. These are really important. Keep it with you. If the product is given damage, then don't throw this. Return the product as it is. Pack it properly and the Flipkart will take it. Flipkart is good. It's looking quite safe and good. This was also not given. This protection was also not given with that one. It's like really unhappy with the service provided. Let me tell you again, this is a TA12 pic. In the Navi Mumbai manufactured this pic, there is a pic of Transit 6 inches. You can see warranty card, everything is written, all the details are mentioned, how to install it, and the service center number, toll free number, you can call it and check it, its height, whatever it is given, how I have to install it. Not. Please go and check it if you buy it, and it's really awesome quality. Let me remove the fan. So let me check if it is bent somewhere. So apparently it's not bent. It's really good and there is no like paint chipping off anywhere. The quality is really awesome. The blades are thick quality. The cord is also here. As you can see, this is the motor in it. I won't open the capacitor cover because in the exact same one, I have checked it. There was a capacitor cover and I opened that and I have showed you everything in that. I will not open it again. This is the behind bird screen. Bird screen design is much different from the other one. So you can see blade quality is awesome. See like paper part like this in this one from now. Earlier it came on the metal label itself. You can see here 225mm, 1400 RPM, 45 watt, then 220 to 240 volts, 50 hertz. Now connection is done. Let me switch it on. Oh wow. It's so fast. Height of the frame from the bird skin is quite above, so I can feel the air from here. So it's quite fast, and I'm really sure that it will perform much better than the Mumbai Transit Navi Mumbai one manufactured, because of the blade and the good quality motor. So now let me test it for 15 minutes if it is overheating or there is any rotor issues or anything. I don't think there will be, but need to check. First let me flip the fan and show you. So like now you can see that the fan is like flipped, and now let me start it. It's a 4-blade fan, so I rotated in this. You can see airflow is really awesome. The airflow is less because of the bird skin logo and all. So I cannot install the fan with the bird skin on the kitchen window. As you know, the G Logo Transit 2016 one was also without the bird skin installed and shit. Okay, as you can see, I have removed the bird skin. It looks really good. I thought that the blade is small, but it is not small actually. It's actually more pitched blade, like more blade angles, so it looks small, but it is not. Let me switch it on. So it was true that the airflow increases with removing the bird skin. So this circular part on which the blade is set, that is called as hub. So it is called as hub based design. Really awesome. Now let me flip it again back to normal. So guys, this is the fan without. So guys, now the exhaust is installed on the aluminium window. So you can see it's installed on the 4 screws. It's not exactly like straight, it's tilted and fixed because of this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is the connector, all used and all is there. You can see the bearings are tight, so it does not rotate much. You can see this. So it looks really awesome. The qualities look good, looks also really fantastic. So now let me switch it on. You can see this noiseless operation. There is no such like bearing noise or something. It's awesome. This was the fan, and on the other side I have this full on 12 inches. You can see this 12 inches full on one became greasy. You can see this is here from last 6 months. Cleaning was done first time, but this is the like again it had become dirty. This fan has the label at this side. So what I did is, as it is in kitchen, so kitchen grease will destroy this nail. So I have covered this label with a sellotape. You can see the on like will become little bit. I will remove that sellotape and put another sellotape for the like well-being of the fan and originality. And like this is the fan. Looks really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope you like the unboxing and installation. Thanks for watching.